gentlemen, welcome to the 5th Urban Infra Leadership Award 2025. Before we begin, could I please request everyone to kindly take their seats? Could I please encourage everyone to be kindly seated? A quick info for all the awardees. सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कृपया सेंटर की सीढ़ियों से स्टेज एंटर करें. Collect your award in the center of the stage. Give us your best smile for a picture and kindly exit the stage either from the left or the right side. कृपया स्टेज के सेंटर की सीढ़ियों का इस्तेमाल करें स्टेज पर आने के लिए, पर स्टेज एग्जिट करते समय ध्यान रखें कि या तो लेफ्ट या राइट की ओर की सीढ़ियों का इस्तेमाल करें. Now, before we move forward, I'd like to take a minute and express our deepest gratitude to our partners for helping us turn our vision into reality. Platinum partner, Jindal Stainless Limited. Gold partner, Shyam Steel Industries Limited. Silver partner, DB Engineering and Consulting GmbH. Conference partners, Infineon Technologies, Jackson Infra and Jupiter Wagons Limited. Branding partner, Afcons Infrastructure Limited. Lanyard partner, Jackson Infra. Badge partner, Western Carriers India Limited. Award partner, Rising Leaders India. Podcast partner, RS Live. Knowledge partners, Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. Nicore Associates and CILT India. Media partners, Metro Rail Today. Urban Transport News and Cargo Insights. E-Highway partner, National Highway for Electric Vehicles NHEV. Supporting partners, Indian Railways, Ministry of Railways and Ease of Doing Business. Mission partners, Make in India and Vikasit Bharat. So ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's begin with the award ceremony. पर उससे पहले आप सभी से एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट दरख्वास्त, कृपया जोरदार तालियों से सभी अवॉर्डीज को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना ना भूलें. प्रैक्टिस राउंड करना चाहें तो कर सकते हैं. And time to call the man of the hour on the stage. The presenter for the 5th Urban Infra Leadership Awards 2025. Please welcome the guest of honor, Professor Dr. Manoj Chaudhary, Vice Chancellor, Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, Ministry of Railways. Also requesting the Managing Director and CEO at Urban Infra Group, Mrs. Mamta Shah, to kindly join us on the stage. Let's welcome the lady with a big round of applause. तो चलिए करते हैं शुरुआत. Once again requesting all the awardees to kindly enter the stage from the stairs in the center and exit from the either side. Also expecting lots of applauses. और अगर सीटी वीटी मारना चाहे तो please feel free. And the first category, Urban Infra Stainless Leader of the Year. And the award goes to Jindal Stainless Limited. Requesting team Jindal Stainless Limited to kindly join us on the stage without any further ado. On to the next category. Ugly category है Urban Infra Steel Leader of the Year. And the award for the Urban Infra Steel Leader of the Year goes to Shyam Steel Industries Limited. RDS, congratulations. Quickly on to the next category. यहाँ पर मंच पर है हमारे साथ श्याम स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड, जिन्होंने जीता है स्टील लीडर ऑफ द ईयर का खिताब. जोरदार तालियां, come on. Next category, Urban Infra Metro Electrification Leader of the Year. And the award for the Urban Infra Metro Electrification Leader of the Year goes to Jackson Infra. Arias, congratulations. And the next category is Urban Infra Mobility Leader of the Year. And the award for the Urban Infra Mobility Leader of the Year goes to Jupiter Wagons Limited. We have Ms. Nidhi Burman accepting the award on behalf of the awardee. And I'm going to be repeating the first category since I did spot the winners in the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, the category Urban Infra Stainless Leader of the Year, and the award goes to Jindal Stainless Limited. Everybody, let's clap our hands together. Come on. Arias, congratulations. बहुत मुबारकबाद. Quickly towards the next category. अगली category है Urban Infra Rail Wheel Leader of the Year. And the award goes to Rail Wheel Factory, Bangalore. कहना तो नहीं चाहिए. Awardees के लिए तो भगवान के नाम पे ही ताली बजा दो. I'm still waiting for someone to whistle from the audience. No award ceremony is complete without a couple of whistles. And the next category, Urban Infra Most Acclaimed Project of the Year. And the award for the Most Acclaimed Project of the Year goes to Delhi Metro TC05 project by Afcons Infrastructure Limited. Arias, congratulations. And the next category is Urban Infra Logistics Solution Leader of the Year. And the award for the Logistics Solution Leader of the Year goes to Transport Corporation of India Limited. On to the next category, the Urban Infra Logistics Solution Provider of the Year. And the award for the Urban Infra Logistics Solution Provider of the Year goes to Western Carriers India Limited. And I believe Ms. Nidhi Burman will have to do the job once again. देखिए, अगर अवॉर्डी रूम में प्रेजेंट नहीं भी है तो उससे उसकी अचीवमेंट्स की जो कहानी है वो खत्म या कम नहीं हो जाती है, तो तालियां तो उनके लिए बनती हैं. तो जोरदार तालियां for Western Carriers India Limited. The next category is Urban Infra Railway Printing Solution Provider of the Year. And the Railway Printing Solution Provider of the Year is TVS Electronics Limited. Fantastic! Headed towards a heavy category, the Urban Infra Railway Connectivity Solution Leader of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Herber and Sana Electronics Private Limited. Yes, congratulations. The next category is Urban Infra CCTV Security Leader of the Year. Well, one of the best in the country, and the award goes to CP Plus Aditya Infotech. दोस्तों की, कॉलीग्स की, फ्रेंड्स की, ऑडियंस की खुशी में खुश होना काफी अच्छी बात है, तो जरा जोरदार तालियों से सभी अवॉर्डीज का स्वागत किया जाए. Congratulations, and the next category is Urban Infra Glass Solution Leader of the Year. And the Glass Solution Leader of the Year is TPRS Enterprises. Again, category Urban Infra Composites Leader of the Year. And the award goes to EPP Composites Private Limited. सर एक सेकंड रुक जाइए, एक सेकंड रुकिए और म्यूजिक धीमा कीजिए. दोबारा ट्राई करते हैं, लेकिन ऐसे ट्राई करते हैं जैसे किया जाना चाहिए. बिकॉज year round hard work, so many missed shenanigans, sleepless nights, a lot of effort gets you here, and that effort deserves a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for EPP Composites Private Limited. And the next category is Urban Infra CCTV Security Solution Provider of the Year. And the award goes to Videology Industrial Cameras. Category, the Telecom Solution Provider of the Year. And the award for the Telecom Solution Provider of the Year goes to Kushi Communications Private Limited. मैं आप सभी को बता दूं that we are celebrating the corporate awards as of now, and in an absolute short while we are to begin with individual awards as well. Big congratulations to Kushi Communications Private Limited. Ugly category, Urban Infra Tunneling Solution Provider of the Year. And the Tunneling Solution Provider of the Year is Eurostar Engineering Private Limited. I believe they are not here at the moment. Quickly on to the next one, the Urban Infra Industrial Tools Provider of the Year. And the Industrial Tools Provider of the Year is Technotalk Tools Private Limited. Quickly on to the next category, the Urban Infra Welding Solution Provider of the Year. And the Welding Solution Provider of the Year is Superon Swedschnick Industries Limited. Big congratulations to Team Superon. जो भी हमारे अवॉर्डीज अवार्ड नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर पाए हैं, या तो कोई इंपॉर्टेंट काम था या कुछ था, द लिस्ट विल बिगिन लेटर, सो काइंडली बी पेशेंट एंड स्टिक अराउंड विद अस. क्विकली ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी. अगली कैटेगरी है अर्बन इंफ्रा कंसल्टेंसी बिजनेस लीडर ऑफ द ईयर. एंड द कंसल्टेंसी बिजनेस लीडर ऑफ द ईयर का खिताब जाता है DB इंजीनियरिंग एंड कंसल्टिंग. RDS, congratulations to Team DB Engineering and Consulting. Quickly on to the next category, the Urban Infra Automation Leader of the Year. And the Automation Leader of the Year का खिताब जाता है Uni Automation India Private Limited. बहुत सिंपल है ताली बजाना. देखिए, आप में से सभी लोगों ने एक ना एक बार इस मंच पर जरूर आना है. So just consider कि जब आपका सुपरस्टार मोमेंट होगा और आपके लिए तालियां ना बजे तो आप कैसा महसूस करेंगे. आखिरी कुछ अवार्ड्स बाकी हैं. जोरदार तालियों से सभी अवार्डीज का कीजिए हार्दिक अभिनंदन. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी, अर्बन इंफ्रा पैकेजिंग सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइडर ऑफ द ईयर, and the award goes to ITW India Private Limited. RDS, congratulations to ITW India Private Limited. And the next category is Urban Infra Adhesive Tapes Solution Provider of the Year. And the award goes to Tessa Tapes India Private Limited. अगली कैटेगरी है अर्बन इंफ्रा इनोवेटिव लॉजिस्टिक्स स्टार्टअप ऑफ द ईयर. वाइट द कैटेगरी एंड द इनोवेटिव लॉजिस्टिक्स स्टार्टअप ऑफ द ईयर का अवार्ड जाता है लिंक हॉल इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. On to the next, big congratulations. Quickly on to the next category. We are now headed towards the final few awards, and these are individual awards that we are celebrating. The Urban Infra Tunneling Man of the Year. And the award goes to Mr. Saurabh Sharma, Joint General Manager, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited. The next category is Urban Infra Influencer of the Year. And the Influencer of the Year. Let's put our hands together for Mr. Rajan Singh, founder, RS Live. एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी जो किसी भी इंट्रोडक्शन के मोहताज नहीं है. You must have had seen him across your social media platforms multiple times. Big congratulations to Team RS Live. Agla award, the Urban Infra Emerging Woman Leader of the Year. न जाने क्यों थोड़ी सी बायस्ड हो जाती हूँ. जोरदार तालियां चाहूंगी इस पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी में. And the award goes to Miss Sujata Sahai, CEO India Wells. अगली कैटेगरी की ओर बढ़ने से पहले बाय अ शो ऑफ हैंड्स, कल यहां पर कितने लोग डे 1 ऑफ द कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए हमारे साथ मौजूद थे? देखिए, इस कैटेगरी के विनर का नाम अगर आप डे 1 पे मौजूद थे तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली पता होगा. द कैटेगरी इज अर्बन इंफ्रा यंग इन्वेंटर ऑफ द ईयर. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, कुछ ही सालों में आप अक्षय कुमार को देखने वाले हैं इनकी बायोपिक में काम करते हुए. प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर मिस्टर चाणक्य श्री विनायक खट्टा, फाउंडर एंड इन्वेंटर वायुरथ. फाइनली कुछ अवार्डीज थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए थे, तो चलिए जोरदार तालियों से उनका करते हैं स्वागत. द कैटेगरी इज अर्बन इंफ्रा इंडस्ट्रियल टूल्स प्रोवाइडर ऑफ द ईयर एंड द अवार्ड गोज टू Technotalk Tools Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, the golden words, the absolute final category and the final award for today's celebration, the Urban Infra Rising Woman Leader of the Year. And the award goes to the founder, Nikore Associates. Let's give it up for Miss Mithali Nikore. We have one more award which I do wish to repeat since ऐसा खास मौका बार-बार नहीं आता है. In case any representative from the winning team is here to accept the award, I must encourage them to join us on the stage without any ados. The Urban Infra Tunneling Solution Provider of the Year, and the winner is Eurostar Engineering Private Limited. None as of now. With the same, a big round of applause for Professor Dr. Chaudhary and Mrs. Mamta Shah. Thank you very much for joining us. A big round of applause for the presenters. With the same, ladies and gentlemen, to deliver the vote of thanks for concluding the day 1 and day 2 of the Rail Trans Expo. Joining us on stage is the Executive Director, Urban Infra Group. Please welcome Mr. Surya Shah.
Thank you so much for everyone presenting here. Hi, this is Surya Shah, Executive Director, Urban Infra Group. Welcomes you all to this auspicious show that is the 5th Rail Trans Expo. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude the 5th Rail Trans Expo 2025, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to each one of you for your invaluable contributions to the success of this remarkable event. We are particularly thankful to our chief guest, Professor Dr. Manoj Chaudhary, Vice Chancellor of Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, Vadodara, a central university under Ministry of Railways, Government of India, for honoring us with his presence and sharing profound insights. Your wisdom has greatly enriched our discussions today. To our esteemed guest speakers, thank you for illuminating our understanding of the challenges and opportunities within the railway, transportation and urban transport infrastructures. Your enlightening presentations have been instrumental in shaping our conversations. We are thankful to the Indian Chamber of Commerce for extending their support as our chamber partner. We are also thankful to our key partners, namely Indian Railways, Jindal Stainless Limited, Shyam Steel Industries, DB Engineering and Consulting GmbH, Infineon Technologies, Jackson Infra, Jupiter Wagons Limited, Afcon Infrastructure Limited, Western Carriers India Limited, Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, Nikore Associates, CILT India, Ease of Doing Business, National Highway for Electric Vehicles, NHEV, RS Life, Carvo Insights, Metro Rail Today, Urban Transport News. A special acknowledgement goes to Ms. Mamta Shah, MD and CEO of Urban Infra Group, and Dr. Vinod Shah, Chief Operating Officers, for their visionary leadership in conceptualizing and designing this event. Your dedication to excellence has set a high standard for our future endeavors. To all participants, speakers, sponsors, exhibitors, and attendees, your active engagement and valuable contributions have made this summit a resounding success. The exchange of ideas, the forging of new connections, and the recognition of excellence during the award ceremony have collectively created an enriching experience for everyone involved. As we depart today with fresh insights and strengthened connections, I want to express my sincere appreciation to entire urban infra community. Thank you once again for being a part of this journey. Wishing you safe travels, and we look forward to welcoming you to our upcoming events, Semicon Expo 2025 and Rail Trans Expo 2026. Thank you.
And with the same, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude the 5th edition of the Rail Trans Expo with the same. This is your host, Sahibjeet Kaur, saying goodbye on behalf of Urban Infra Group. Thank you and have a wonderful evening ahead.
Wonderful idea and very thoughtful and a great exhibition. I really congratulate not only for organizing this thing.
यहाँ पे आने के बाद मतलब 2 दिन हमने स्पेंड किया और 2 दिन में हमें काफ़ी सारे अच्छे क्लाइंट्स मिले। इवन सम हमें रेलवे की भी कुछ ऑफिसर्स मिले।
When we had installed our stall, we were getting all the supports, all the manpower, all the equipments and tools that we needed. It was really pleasant experience over here.